A big news from the Board of Control for Cricket in India, the BCCI, regarding the appointment of key officials in the cricketing body. Former Assam cricketer Devjit Sakia is all set to be elected as the next secretary of the BCCI, while Chhattisgarh State Cricket Sangh's Prabhatej Singh Bhatia will take on the role of treasurer. Both are expected to be elected unopposed during the BCCI's special general meeting in Mumbai on January 12. Sakia, who has been functioning as the interim secretary since December, has now officially filled his name in the nomination for the role. Bhatia, on the other hand, has put his name forward for the treasurer's position, with no other contenders for the roles at this time. Both Sakia and Bhatia were the only candidates for these key posts. They are expected to be elected unanimously at the special general meeting at BCCI's headquarters in Mumbai. Devjit Sakia, who is also serving as the Advocate General of Assam, brings with him a wealth of cricketing and administrative experience. A former wicketkeeper, Sakia played for Assam in the Ranji Trophy and the prestigious C.K. Naidu Trophy for under-23 players in the early 90s. He also represented the East Zone alongside former Indian captain Sourav Ganguly. Sakia's most recent administrative role was as the Joint Secretary of the BCCI, a position he held from October 2022, before stepping in as the interim secretary following Jay Shah's departure of the ICC in 2023. On the other hand, Prabhatej Singh Bhatia, a well-respected figure in Chhattisgarh cricket, has previously been a member of the BCCI Apex Council and the board's disciplinary committee. His nomination comes at a time when the BCCI is seeking to fill critical posts following the move of Jay Shah to the International Cricket Council and Ashish Shelkar's transition into Maharashtra's cabinet. Bhatia's extensive involvement in the BCCI governance ensures that he is familiar with the operational and financial aspects of the board, making him a key figure for the treasurer's post. With Sakia and Bhatia set to resume their new roles, the BCCI will now look to fill the vacant position of Joint Secretary, previously held by Sakia. This change comes at a critical juncture as the board seeks to continue its focus on strengthening Indian cricket, both domestically and internationally. The formal election will take place during the BCCI special general meeting scheduled for January 12th in Mumbai. In attendance will be current ICC chairperson Jay Shah, who is expected to attend the meeting as a special invitee. This marks a significant shift in the leadership of the BCCI, with experienced figures like Sakia and Bhatia taking on major roles within the organization. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Cricket Next for more cricket updates.